We'll guide you through how to convert shape to frame in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. When the application launches, click Login with Browser so you can access your account. You will automatically be redirected to your browser to complete the login process. On the login page, choose the login method you want to use, for example, continue with Google. Select the account you use to sign into Figma so the system can verify your identity. After the login process is completed, click Open the desktop app to return to the Figma application. You will automatically be redirected back to the Figma desktop application once the authentication is successful. Next, open the Figma file where you want to work so you can start editing the design. Locate the creation tools at the bottom of the interface and click the drop-down icon on the shape tools. From the list of available shapes, choose the shape you want to create, for example, rectangle. After selecting the rectangle tool, click and drag on the canvas to draw the shape in your workspace. Once the shape appears on the canvas, move to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. Click the Fill section to open the custom color settings. From the color picker, change the shape color according to your preference so it matches your design. After adjusting the color, make sure the shape is still selected on the canvas. Right-click on the selected shape to open the context menu. In the menu that appears, locate and select Frame Selection. This command will automatically convert the shape into a frame. After applying the command, the selected object will now function as a frame instead of a regular shape. To confirm that the conversion was successful, check the Layers panel on the left side of the interface. The object type should now be labeled as frame rather than rectangle. If needed, you can rename the frame to make it easier to organize your design structure. To do this, double-click the object name in the Layers panel and type a new name. For example, you can rename it How to Convert Shape to Frame in Figma so it clearly describes its purpose. Renaming objects helps keep the layer structure organized, especially when working on larger design projects with multiple frames and elements.